922 Johnson City Avenue in Forney, Texas. Hey, write that one down because that one's could be a great one for you. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, over 2,500 square feet, and 2 massive living areas. So hey, write it down. My name is Sam Thomas. Let's go check it out together. Located in the highly desirable community of Travis Ranch in Forney, Texas, this 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home has plenty to offer. The living room is spacious and is complemented with a wood burning fireplace open to the eat-in kitchen. Included is an oversized island with storage, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances. The floor plan is very functional and highlighted by large windows throughout, providing natural light and brightness. The bedrooms are well sized and the primary bedroom is on the first floor. Game room on the second floor and a great covered patio just in time for grilling weather. One of the things I love about this home is the amount of space. The bedrooms upstairs have walk-in closets and this huge area over here is the game room. So when you come to see it, make sure you check it out along with the community. It has swimming pools, splash parks, lots of amenities just for you. Hey, hope to see you then. Thank you.